Let's try to solve a new numerical problem which is related to resistors connected in series or parallel. The question is saying an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm. This is an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm. And a conductor of 4 ohm. And another, there is one more conductor having a resistance of 4 ohm. Resistors are connected to a 6-volt battery. They are connected to a 6-volt battery as per the diagram. The diagram has been given in the question itself. Calculate number one, the total resistance of the circuit. What will be the total resistance combined? Means the conductor and the lamp together. So that means if we replace these two by a single resistor, what will be its equivalent resistance? What will the total resistance of the system of the circuit? And question number B says current through the circuit and how much current will pass through the circuit. And the last, the potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. Across the lamp, what will the potential difference across the lamp V2, and what will be the potential difference across the conductor V1? How much potential difference will be there? So this is a circuit diagram. You find the conductor and the lamp, they are connected in series. It's not set in the question, but by the diagram we understand that they are connected in a series. Or it may be mentioned there also that they are connected in series instead of giving the diagram. On to a potential difference of 6 volt. This is an ammeter which is connected in a series with this, and there's a key. It's a key, the on-off switch. The current I flows through it. So you see that these two are connected in series. So what does it mean by that resistors are, or the conductor and the lamp are connected in series? It means that same amount of current will flow through them. These two, when they act together, when they combine together, there will be one resistance of the whole circuit, right? So that resistance will determine how much current will flow. Together, they will determine how much current will flow. Okay, let's start. Let's start with, so that means these two are connected in series. I just want to define when will you say that two conductors are connected in series? It's when they have when same amount of current is flowing through them. And same amount of current flows through them, it's said to be connected in series. And in doing so, the potential difference will be different. Potential difference across this will be different from the potential difference across this. Why? Because they have different resistance. So potential difference will be different. But the combined potential difference will be this 6 volt. Combined for the whole circuit, here, potential difference here, at this point, it will be 6 volt. But so this 6 will be combination of this plus this. So together be 6 volt. So whatever the value of V1 and V2, it will be less than 6 volt. But because this and this together will become 6 volt, right? Okay, let's start. According to the theory of the question, this is equivalent resistance. We are calculating equivalent resistance. Means equivalent resistance means what will be the value of the resistance when these two are replaced by a single resistor. So what will be equivalent resistance? I'm using symbol RS because these are connected in series. RS, equivalent resistance series, what is just the addition or sum of those two resistance. So it's 4 ohm. 4 ohm plus 20 ohm is 24 ohm. So 24 ohm will be the combined resistance of the circuit. So we have calculated the first part. The total resistance of the circuit will be 4 plus 20, 24 ohm. Fine. Now the second part says what it will be the current flowing through it. So according to Ohm's law, it says that what is the resistance? So what is resistance of these two? It means the ratio of the potential difference maintained to the current flowing through it. That is called resistance. That is what Ohm's law says at constant temperature. So R is equal to V by I. So if you want to calculate I, it will be V by R. How much is V? 6 volt. And how much is total resistance? Total resistance we have just calculated is combined together is 24. So this is the RS, right? What we have calculated here. So it's 24. So 6 by 24 is 0.25 ampere, or if you simplify it, it will be 1 by 4 24. So 1 by 4th. So 1 by 4th of an ampere, or 0.25 ampere. The unit of current is ampere. So it will 0.25 ampere will flow through here, Same current will flow through the circuit. 0.25 ampere when the potential difference is 6 volt and equivalent resistance is 24 ohm. Fine. So this much current will flow. So second part, we have calculated the current through the circuit. So what is the last part? The potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. Across the lamp, what is the potential difference? Across the conductor, what is the potential difference? So what will the potential difference? See from here, from the relationship R V I, potential difference equal to what? The product of R and I, the resistance and the current. So potential difference across the 4 ohm resistor, it means potential difference across 4 ohm resistor. It will be what? It will be the product of the current flowing through it and its resistance. That will be potential difference, right? Resistance is V by I. Resistance is V by I. So what will be V? R into I. R multiplied by I. So how much is I? I is, it was 1 by 4. I just written 1 by 4. It will be easier. 1 by 4 into what is the resistance? The current is 1 by fourth of a current of 1 by fourth of an ampere is flowing. 0.25 ampere is flowing. So instead of writing 0.25, I have written 1 by 4. It will be easier. And what is the resistance? Resistance is 4 ohm. 4 into 1 by 4 is 1. So the potential difference across the 4 ohm resistor, is 1 volt. And what about this one? It must be, it's, if here it is 1 volt, then it must be 5, because 1 plus 5 should be 6, right? But you can do it that way also, or you can use the same formula. Potential difference across the 20 ohm, lamp will be how much? It will be the product of current and the resistance. What is the current? Current is 1 by 4, 0.25 ampere, or 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of an ampere is flowing. And how much is resistance? Is 20 ohm. 1 by 4, 20 is 4 5s are 20, so it's 5 volt, right? So here 1 volt, here 5 volt, total 6 volt. This is how we calculate. I hope you understand. It's clear for you. It's clearer for you, and you will be able to solve similar kind of problems.